How to install simple voice chat on Aternos. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to install simple voice chat on Aternos. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just log into your Aternos account, then after that, click on this create a server. Now after you click on that, it will redirect to this page wherein you can see your server, so you can just click on create on this once more. Now, once you have done that, this will load again, and here you can see your account or your server, and you can see here the address, the software, and the version. Right here, the version is 1.20.1, so make sure to remember that. And in here, you can see the software. So for this, we need to change this software, so click on change right here. And then scroll down until we reach the fabric. So here's fabric right here, so click that. So it's loading again, and make sure to choose the 120.1, and in here we will choose the 0.14.22, so let's click on that, and then this will load again, and make sure to click on install right here in order to install it. Now once after you have done that, you will redirect to a page wherein you can just head over in here. The next thing you can do is to head back again to your server, and then scroll down. As you can see, we have now changed to fabric. So the next thing we can do is to head over again to our software right here. So as you can see in here, our software is fabric, but as you see in here, it is for mods. So head over to mods right here, and then from in there, click on this right here and search for simple voice chat. So let's search for that, and in here just choose simple voice chat, and then find the 0 point or the voice chat 1.20.1. so for me this is that one right here, since as you can see this is it, 120.1. this is compatible to our fabric. So let's click on this download button right here in order to download it. As you can see, it is now downloading, so let's just wait for it. Now once you have downloaded that, what you can do next is to head over again to your server. So here's our server. So what we need to do is to click on start right here. Make sure to yes or accept this EULA right here. And then as you can see, it will allow us send notifications. So click on OK right here. As you can see, it was now starting. So you can just wait for this to start until you see the restart button. So as you can see, it is starting right here. So what you can do next is to click on this connect. And here you can see the port, right? So copy that port, click on OK, and then from in there, just head over to your files, and then click on config, click on voice chat, click on voice chat server properties, and in here you can see the port again. So just delete it and put in the one, and then click on save right here. As you can see, it has now been saved. And then we can now head over again to our server. Now let's click on stop right here. And then after you have stopped it, you can just restart it in order to save your actual progress. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to install simple voice chat on Aternos. If you have guns or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.